Good morning, class. Today we're going to learn how to represent data using ratios, fractions, percentages, and decimals. Okay, so we're going to get warmed up. On your table, you should find some play money that we're going to use as manipulatives. You're going to find dollar bills, quarters, dimes, and nickels. Okay, so first things first, I want you to hold up the dollar bill. Each of you should have one. Sarah, do you have one? Okay. Yeah, there you go. There it is. Okay, hold up the dollar bill, and I want you to think about the dollar bill as the number 100. Sam, can you think of why $1 bill would equal 100? How those would be the same? Good. Okay. Sam knows that a dollar bill is equal to 100 pennies. So, in that way, a dollar bill is equal to 100. Okay. We're going to now pick up the quarter, and I want you to think about how you could write a quarter as a fraction of a dollar bill. What would that fraction be? Can anybody think of what that might be? Good. Sarah says that a quarter is the same thing as 1/4 of a dollar. Why do you say that, Sarah? Okay, Sarah said that it's because 1/4 is 1/4 of a dollar because it takes 4 quarters to equal a dollar. Very good. Okay, so we're going to build on our knowledge of money and fractions, and we're going to think about, let's see, if we just decided that 1/4 is equal to 1/4 of a dollar, what would 2 quarters be in relation? What would the percentage be for 2 quarters of a dollar? What would that percentage be? Sam, what do you think? Okay, Sam says 50% because, first of all, it's helpful that 2 quarters is equal to 50 cents, so that helps. But also, 2 quarters is equal to 50% of a dollar because if 1/4 is equal to 1/4, 2 quarters would be equal to 1/2, which is the same as 50% of a whole. Very good. Okay, I'm going to post a picture on the board of half of a pizza. And so, we're going to fill in some information about this pizza. Sarah, I want to know, well, I kind of already gave it away, but what fraction of the pizza is left on the plate? Good. Okay, Sarah said it's 1/2, right? We just decided that 1/2 was equal to what percentage? Sam. Good. Just like 2 quarters is half or 50% of a dollar, half of a pizza is equal to 50% as well. Okay, how are we going to write that as a decimal? Does anyone know? Good. Sarah knows that if we think of a dollar as being one whole, or one, we're going to write one, I'm going to write this down on the board, 1.00, $1, $1.00. Okay, so if we have 50 cents, then we're going to look at, this is going to be the decimal of $0.50, 50 cents, no ones, just 50 cents. Okay, so that means that half of a pizza is the same thing as 0.5, 5.5%. Okay, next we're going to show another picture. Sarah, the picture on the board, tell me what fraction of the pizza is left. Good. Sarah sees that there's only 1/4 of the pizza left on the plate. Okay, so Sam, tell me what percentage that would be. Good. Sam, how did you know that 25% of the pizza was left? Okay, Sam says he thought about it as a dollar. So if we think about a dollar, just like we did earlier, and we have 1/4, that's equal to 25 cents, or 25% of a dollar. So 1/4 of the pizza left over means that there's 25%. Okay, how would we write this as a decimal? You can think about money again. If we had 25 cents, how would we write that in decimal form? Good. Sarah says 0.25. 0.25 is the decimal form of 1/4, or 25%. Very good.